Welcome to our channel. Galvo optics, or galvanometer-based scanning mirrors, are often superior to the traditional moving stages in Raman microscopy. Let's dive into the key differences. First, the speed. Galvo optics scan the laser beam across the sample with fast-moving mirrors. Unlike a moving stage, laser spot with galvo systems can achieve high speed easily. This is not critical for Raman mapping measurement that executed point by point and line by line, as the measurement is relatively slow. However, galvo optics opens the opportunity of more flexible measurements. Galvo systems allow complicated scanning patterns like random scans without adding extra time between two measurement points and with nanometer-level accuracy. This brings many advantages. Mentioned in the last video, random sequence gives the measured spot time to cool down between measurements, letting you use higher laser power safely. Finally, stability. Moving stages can risk displacing loosely adhered samples. Moving a heavy sample chamber, such as a temperature cell from the material science, may also suffer from low speed and worsened reproducibility. Galvo optics eliminates these issues by keeping the sample stationary. However, galvo optics can only move the laser spot within the field of view, when the stage can move easily some tens of millimeters. For large area Raman imaging, moving stage is still necessary. Next time, we will discuss more about measurement sequence. Thank you for watching and see you next time.